Alright, I've got the units taken apart. This here is the one that was bad. This one here I've checked is green check, which is good. This is the Digitizer, the good one, and this is the Digitizer that was a bad one. Okay, here's the bad one. The only thing I noticed different is it's lifted off here on the back. The screen is completely destroyed. This fell one time, hit right here and here, and it was discolored, rainbowed, and then it gone within a half an hour. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and connect this one up to the good unit. I'll move the bad one out of the way. Okay, get some room here. Alright, we're going to test it before we do anything else. We'll connect the ribbon cable. There you go, pressed it down. I did damage this removing it. That's the only damage I did to it. Anything else that's damaged that was already there. I'm going to go ahead and connect the battery back up. Okay, we're going to turn it on. Okay. There we go. It's working. I just gotta put it all back together. I can't tell if it's discolored or not, but I really don't too much to worry about. Let's see if we can do something here. We can go to camera. Should be black. Oh. It's got me looking at you. Alright, it's working. Take it easy, and that should do it. Oopsie.